no short at them, but we have to just give thanks in life, you know?
Yes.
If I could have worse.
It could have worse.
It could have worse, man.
Life, and once there's life, there's hope.
Yeah. To where you see go on and everything. It could have worse. It could have worse,
A lot of people have been asking for you. They want to know how you're doing, especially because they know, say, you're building, excited for moving and so on. You know, persons want to find out how you were doing and so on.
Now sleep comfortable at night time. For one little piece of city, I sleep in a den now, and you know, it kind of robot already. So I a morning time when me get up a morning time, I tell all them party. Oh God. Oh God.
Everybody can't sleep. Everybody can't sleep, he can't do anything.
He can't do anything. I'm comfortable. From the give me medicine?
Yeah.
Don't I hear there, I say, no, Sanjay, man. Someone can job on get different. He must sleep, man. He come all up a yard, they can help me. When them put up a liquor frame, I go up there, I see it still. And I tell us he wish party jump put on. My boy sit down on the jump. I see him bridging where you pass out. That's the name Heart and Love.
Yeah.
Heart and Love, if you say, yo, good on the man jump. I sleep, man sit down and I sleep, and I good on it. Oh, God.
Rayan, so like how heavy you can carry.
Yeah, man. Oh, God, man.
Food items.
Yeah, no. Holy love, you know?
Yeah, man.
I look for you from where they are, you know, but...
Can't imagine saying I look for you.
Yeah, man, but me know say she business and thing, man, for I know me alone. You know? I don't know, man, that's a journey.
Yeah.
You can see what go on and thing. I tell you, say, whole place. I cook me left, me and Sanjin left from up here. Come out the house, lock back the house and say we have to go cook. And me there in the house done. Walk good on the shop so I get piece of meat and come back and say we all cook. And when me did it, done the shop, the lady done they say, you know, say, it's time. I come, you know. And I said,
That's about what time?
at about in 1:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see me tell
Yeah.
And me left out.
Okay.
Left out and come up. And it's about 2:45 I go to 2:50. And 1:50, 1:45 I go to 1:50. Me there in a house this. And me in-law, one will live down a bottom. So call me and say, yo, come here. In the veranda. He said, look up a B-boat. One house is up there.
Yeah, one ply.
Oh yeah, the one right there, sir. Where man they sit on the time, right there, sir.
It's gone. That time yours not gone yet.
Gone yet. One white cloud just grown.
That
One
one
white
there?
cloud.
Yes, I used to find the white cloud grown. When the white cloud clear,
The,
you know, did it.
the cloud gone with the house.
One white cloud good on this one now. And grown for DC house.
That's which one of them?
You see it on the bottom there, so them all put black there, you know.
Oh.
Them all black up here, you know.
You
So
see
them all
those one?
black here.
Which part the blue jump there right down there, sir?
Yeah.
The black and pack up there.
You know, remember one big fly horse they did it?
Me think, remember, me see it there, yeah.
White cloud wrap round it. I remember me tell you say, when you wrap round it, nothing no good about it again. I'm run round the back as one say, go and look up a yard. When me look up here, that the house there over this.
That first move.
Yeah, I tap zinc up, I tap this, you know, I see a flapper in a ear. I say Sanji in the back house garden, but you know think nothing no do if I man go to Japan, Jap in the back house.
Where did my fly come from, man?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like.
then they enough. And this time blow.
Yeah.
And them come in and some big one. Me see this a house here. Start you zinc them start lift up a fight. Then me go back round this go look for the pot and come back and me come out the cabin when it tap this and now lift.
Yeah.
And from the cabin lift.
Everything gone.
Everything just start go over me head over this. Every God almighty thing.
Say that tell us something about the sound where you buy.
My son now. Just where they me buy a little son. See he stand right there. When me stay so back, I see him when me left it on the stand in the house. And when me look at it, me see up to the top here. So before when the top come off,
Yeah.
his son come out.
He come out through air?
Come out through the top before them that thing a lift down, you know.
That show you how heavy the breeze was, you know.
Oh God almighty man, me did the Amsterdam Sanji, everything up here done. Everything mash up, done. So me remember say this is the tall or what now. I tell you say breeze chew you.
Yeah.
Take off them apply and take off this side of the house. Whole side of it. You know, take off no apply off of it.
The whole thing go away.
Whole thing and just lick this a piece. I want to lick this a piece I lift in the ear. And the whole of it, I see it like good on some. The whole of the front piece, me turn up and me watch me door and me window in the ear.
Terrible.
I know a good piece of. I tell you, so I couldn't wait for daylight for me no sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, when the storm cold down in the night and everything, me take my flashlight and come out and me come up there. And me sit down like and rain and fall out. Me catch back to the yard, me wet. I'm not no clothes to put on, I have nothing. For me left everything in the house, for me I say everything I go see.
Yeah.
And everything. And me did it and me sit down and me I look. Me just have to cry and water. I say, yeah, me go for me even tell me say, yeah no. the people they must all get even fed up, you know, for them say them build me a little.
But I know them, I know you blow hurricane, you know.
It's a natural disaster.
Them understand, man. Them understand. They understand, yeah.
That come me like, that could just come me like a little pressure for me away, you see?
Them understand, man.
Come me like a pressure me down, a pressure, even though we all understand.
Yeah, it's not you. It's not you. Yeah, because people that have houses were even much stronger than the one that was built and it gone too.
I just feel away,
Yeah, it damaged.
If me could have buy one door, me then build one house. Yeah, I just them the thing that me kind of look for now.
Yeah.
Me did it, but at the same time, enough people say, yo, yeah, no, it's a merciful God we serve, but it come like God fail with this time. But
No.
yo, yeah, no, whole heap of time we fail, Father God, Father God fail one time.
You know, feel we.
Feel we,
And you know,
know.
fail we need.
No.
No feel we.
Yeah,
Because you're here. You're here, you're alive.
Me did it. Me just give thanks to life and give thanks. Me get up and me could have see all me little youth them.
Yeah, man.
Me in-law them. I don't know, so me in-law them up here sleep. Over there, so them they live.
You know, a plyboard house too?
No.
Which one are the house?
The wall house over there.
With the cream side and the
Yeah, it's in
grey side?
Yeah.
Over my skate?
Feet right there, sir. Yeah, feet right there, sir.
Where black drum there?
Yeah, we're black one.
Oh,
She up her, she in her house on there, sir.
so everybody have to come
Oh,
over.
like, yeah, them have to come down there so far. Them just put on the zinc on it, you know, if it does. Save box or anything, you know.
So even though people are put on the zinc, you can hear the knocking.
Yeah. I'm not telling us enough of what zinc you see them a put on and not even for them.
Yeah.
Some people zinc blue are coming out their yard. Me no really, for me could take up zinc we are not for me. I me just tell me say, I don't want nobody zinc for my place. Me just want, back with me last. Yeah. And me set up at my place. I'm not telling them, I don't know how to say.
Yeah. Why? Just
Feel joy, you feel black. I live me at the so I move in a place even though I not polish off now.
and you only get to sleep in there one night, you say? Lord of
One night, me at the
So you did want one more night?
God,
I tell you.
I feel away, I just feel away. I don't know how I feel. So I could do
What happened yesterday? Your action in Ryan?
Yeah.
I come up with one bag of cement and take out back that place. So you remember I whole of it there?
Yeah.
Watch that.
I cement that?
Jesus.
Yeah, no. How you want? You can beat up it.
Yeah,
Beat up and use it before it get worse, yeah.
I true, me tell you, me do video and everything, everything. And when me a build back to you know, me do back the video and show me not have no service. You say, come give me one thing. If you show no say, me done, but me still I make a try.
Yeah.
All of them places I did bush up. Remember I Pimentachi where they did this?
Yeah, and with Church Harbor.
With
God, yeah.
out I pick the jar out when I fly from it. You have to chop out and jar you out from that. You have to chop them up and show them this. Where the Pimentachi where church of them they go to. He time just come to me.
No man, no, just you cover, but cover everybody.
Everybody gets affected.
Your farm gone down.
No, I'm not there for me now. I just, I don't like to me put it in there, knock, but you me
Knock, you can't do nothing when you're under stress, master. I step on nail, you know, look when you put your foot.
I don't know if I pass or I turn out in the
Which one? The short one?
You know, one of that. One thing is and
That's a sunny boy.
Yeah.
you know pa.
Maybe
Let's see him.
sing more Mellissa
Fine,
with
yeah.
our friend.
Dito pa house okay so. I'm really telling pa him to look I am you know one on the forward.
Ryan.
Disaster.
Go to Mellissa.
Yeah, Mellissa.
Well, Mellissa now come again.
I even feel so we are never still.
We don't want no friend there, so.
Yeah. Ryan, things are go alright. I just say go one step at a time. It's a natural disaster. It's nobody's fault. You know, so there's nothing that you could have done to prevent it or save the house, you know.
The only thing where you could have done is pull it down. And you could have done. Could have pulled down your house.
You're not going to do that because
Better make Mellissa pull it down so you don't say something happened.
but if you did pull it down, you know, you probably would have get up and I say, boy, better me pull it down.
Yeah.
Maybe,
He wouldn't know, yeah, he wouldn't know what happened.
And I say, maybe you would have still did it. You know, so but it is what it is. But you can get back on your foot.
Yeah, man.
You live to fight again, man. Yeah.
An idea.
Yeah.
You live to fight again. So Mellissa run gone.
Hey.
So you will live to fight again.
Mellissa run.
Yeah, she run. Yeah, she run.
Everybody up there, you see them I stay some back and knock up them place.
Yeah.
Tell them, people pass. They say them all they can. People no fear and people say what have to be if I first time come it wouldn't me know myself I live in a one little in the place myself I just me there I watch no first stop blower I would me did it from run for put on a yard come back up outside the go still did it
Yeah.
Like last year in a barrel. Yeah.
very low no first stop sitting now and come up person I'm simply go for
Yes.
Yeah.
he said we're blessed
Yeah,
no
man.
googles come in and just stay some back good sheet but they made that just have died on and sleep
So it look like burial can want message go give Mellissa. Pass back which part Rayan there.
Santi mother and bury him
Huh? Oh, Jesus.
the policeman no man up so no him baby mother Mellissa
So communication chang up here.
chart neighbor they will
I tell you.
yeah well, you see your son they good up in a storm and he little brother have to go up on the house stop so go put up them two black there
Hmm?
Oh, because they did a lift off?
yeah I tell you say when they here to zinc up their flap if we ain't work if I wouldn't have no ways to go
Yeah.
by church up there so much up and I see it up
This is Baptist church?
it's on the church
Baptist church, yeah.
Baptist.
Where tank up on there, so?
yes man
The
the
Baptist.
that beside over this a garden
So if so like for persons who never have anywhere to go when them house stop damage, which part up here is the shelter? Up here so?
no shelter never there
No shelter up here
no
so?
shelter it all of them a place where you see up there say then just a put on back top on them
So then just run to each other's houses. Oh.
so me in-law them over this one now up by little deck place right there can up there yeah then they must run
Alright, so Ryan, we have 2 donors who sent donations for you. Alright, so I want to say thanks to them. We'll give to you afterwards. So I want to say thank you, donors. God bless you richly. And you are here in a time of need. We are greatly appreciative, you know, of the gesture.
Rain, listen, rain.
So, and we don't have nowhere to shelter.
Yes, rain house blow away. See there, we can't shelter in there. Look, no house.
yeah
So no.
yeah
You have view from every angle.
right
Yeah.
I want to say thanks to them you know
Yes.
yeah man Even though I tell you say yeah water full up my eye no do for me already and I tell you but give thanks and praise.
Yes.
Yeah, I tell you could have worse but give thanks to you.
Them still love you. You never do nothing. And Mellissa, they don't love.
Yeah. Give thanks and praise. We see if the youth them safe.
Yeah.
Mama safe, we are so.
Live to fight again.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's a fighter, survivor, you know?
Mellissa run gun.
Yeah. Alright guys, the rain is coming down. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye.
We going down the hill.